Yes, sir. My name is Kevin Gilos.
My name is Boyding Brava.
My name is Aliti Rialda.
I'm going to report the basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship. The basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship includes the following terms: GA, the metacentric height, which is the distance between the center of the gravity and metacenter. KG, the height of the center of the gravity of the keel. KM, the height of the metacenter from the keel. KB, the height of the center of buoyancy from keel. KZ, the writing lever, which is the horizontal distance between the force of weight and volume. B, the center of buoyancy. M, the metacenter. G, the center of gravity. The angle of keel. Explanation: the metacentric height. GM is a measure of the ship's initial stability. A higher GM value indicates better than initial stability. Explanation: told us the higher the GM value, the better the vessel initial stability, and the harder it is to get the vessel to heel.
Initial stability. Initial stability is a resistance of a ship's small change in the difference between the vertical force applied in its own side. Example: a weight of a bottom boat like a John boat, a ship kayak with twins hull, a table with a weight base, a low center of gravity on vehicle, and weight laid stands in a person stand on uneven surface. Stability of a ship. The stability of a ship is a tendency to return to its original upright state when an extreme force is applied or removed. Example: ship stability can be calculated using hydrostatic data and the ship load condition. Factor affecting stability. The shape of a hull, the draft, and the term all affect the stability of a ship.
The diagram visually represents the key parameters used to assess the stability of a ship, with the metacentric height (GM) being the most important. A larger GM generally indicates a more stable vessel.